I'm an old biker dude, man. Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure. Oh yay, it's morning time. Well, good thing I covered up my kitchen stuff last night. And Brett's granddaddy longlegs. Well, let's check on the status of my power wagon real quick before we make breakfast. Let's see here. My Blue Eddy is hooked to my storage battery there all night, and voila, 100% power. All right, so even though it rained all night, and obviously there's no solar this morning because it's cloudy and overcast, as you can see, with dark scary clouds floating around everywhere, I'm at 100%, and my refrigerator is at a nice comfy 39 degrees. That's good. Alrighty then. You know, being the world's most intelligent, handsome, dynamic, and capable camp cook has its drawbacks. One of which is I never can decide what I want to have for breakfast. How about blueberry pancakes with spicy sausage and some hash browns and onions? Yeah! But first there must be coffee. Pour some water in here. And scoop us a little coffee in here. All right. And shortly there will be coffee. Okay, so got me some sausage going. I think I'll skip the hash browns this morning and just go for the blueberry pancakes. Then on the other hand, you know what? I want some hash browns with onions. Oh, look at that coffee percolating. There's nothing like percolated coffee at a campsite in the morning. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Now for another one of the unnecessary things that I drag along with me in my trailer. My Lodge griddle top. Now that guy really got my dander up, man. Had a comment about I haul too much stuff around. And it was a comment I got on my Facebook page. I hope the guy's watching. I checked out his stuff, and he's eating meals out of a plastic bag he pays $11.99 for, and you pour some water on it, the dehydrated meals, and I'm sure they're fine, but you know, it's to each his own. You choose the level of comfort and luxury that you want to have out here, and for me it's worth it to haul all this stuff around because I like to live like this out here. Now this is a little homemade mixture that I make up. You'll see the orange color to it. It's garlic and chili oil and coconut oil. And what I do is I just put a little bit out there on my grill before the grill gets hot. And just kind of coat the surface with it real quickly. And of course that's so my pancakes don't stick. Or, you know, of course I can make eggs or whatever I want to on here. But that's just going to heat up. I'm going to actually heat it up and let it cool down for a minute and soak into the grill, and then I'll crank it back up to make my pancakes with. And we'll start off with some nice fresh blueberries. A little pancake mix. And of course some of this delicious milk here. And an egg. I don't do anything instant out here. I make everything from scratch. Just whip all this together. And we get done mixing it here. It's got a beautiful blueberry color to it. Looks like I got just about the right amount of mix in there. The grill is not quite ready yet. Now we got our first one on there. I'm going to be using my custom 100-watt solar charge regulator cardboard backing out of a package as my spatula this morning. There we go. Give it a little spanking. Well, that went so well, I guess I'll try this again. Give them a little stir. There's one. And my blueberry pancakes are starting to look pretty good. Okay. There's one. Another piece of one. There we go. And turn my grill off. There's breakfast. There's the last bite of my breakfast, folks. Man, that was good. Well, looks like a little temporary pause in my pursuit to slay the elusive Brown Troutasaurus Rex. As you can tell from the background noise, it's raining. Bad. Not only is it raining, there's thunder and lightning. However, that does not mean that all is lost, because I am a patient man. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to go fishing at the moment. But for the meantime, I'll just sit here and wait it out. I am a patient man. Good morning, everybody. I know y'all can hear that raging river in the background. Sorry about that noise. Oh man, this coffee sure is good this morning. Just making me a little breakfast on my third day out here. Not going to do anything too elaborate this morning. Just some sausage and eggs and maybe a bowl of organic oatmeal. Got a little concern with my solar this morning. When I woke up and checked it, my power station is down to 77%. That can only mean that my backup battery is now dead. Both days have been rainy. There's been hardly any sunshine at all. But I am leaving this morning, so I'm gonna have to I'll probably stop at a laundromat and do my clothes from the last couple of days. I've managed to get almost everything I've got soaking wet and dirty, so I'm gonna have to hit a laundromat, and maybe they'll have a 110 plug there where I can charge up my backup battery. Well, I decided to do a little change of plans here this morning. I'm going to have a sausage, egg, and cheese with red bell pepper and onion wrap, like a breakfast burrito. So our sausage is done, so all I'm going to do is just take it and stick it on a plate for the time being. Got some chopped up red bell pepper and onion. I put just a little bit of chili garlic oil in the pan, then we'll go from there. And now we'll just throw us an egg in there and crumble one of our sausages back up to put it in the ingredients. Look at that deep orange color. These eggs were given to me by our neighbor who has chickens. They're the best eggs I've ever had. But there we have all our ingredients for our wrap. I think these wraps have like 13 grams of fiber, and that of course is good for you, especially in the morning. It's getting warm. And I did go ahead and put some water on it. I just kind of moistened it with a layer. That gives it that limberness that you need to fold your wrap up without any problem. And now I'm ready to make my wrap. First thing I'm gonna do is put me a little taco blend cheese. It's got Monterey Jack in it too. I got a little sour cream with me. And I like a little sour cream on in my wrap. And then it's just a fold over process. And voila, I have a breakfast wrap. That Monterey Jack cheese, oh my goodness, that's really good. Well, now it's time to pack up camp and put everything in the power wagon. Well, as I'm breaking down camp, I noticed that I was attacked last night by granddaddy long-legged spiders. Literally hundreds of them all over my tent. Well, as luck would have it, it opened up and started pouring. Lightning was crashing all over the place. Hit one of those poles over there while I was standing inside the tent, and it frizzed everything, including me. Feeling a little funny right now. It's been about an hour since that happened, but when it happened, I felt the electrical wave sort of move through me, and I kind of dropped it and fell down on one knee. I have a ICD heart device which monitors my heart rhythms and things, and I can't be certain, but I think it shocked me. Something got me. Now, I definitely got zapped by lightning, there's no doubt about that. Feeling really funny right now, but I guess we'll see if there's any long-term effect here shortly when I can get back near civilization and get a phone signal. I'm an old biker dude, man.